If all software reset methods failed, this is the last option: CMOS battery reset. But be careful, this may void your warranty. First, completely power off your DVR and unplug it from electricity. Remove the screws and carefully open the DVR cover. Locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. It looks like a small silver coin. Carefully remove the battery without damaging the motherboard. Wait at least 5 to 10 minutes to clear the CMOS memory.
Insert the battery back into its original position.
Close the DVR, tighten the screws, and power it on. Important: this method does not work on all Dahua models. This is a hardware-level trick and may void your warranty. Always try official support methods first.
Problem solved? Subscribe now for more quick DVR fixes. See you in the next one.